Gardening generates a lot of containers, most of which are plastic, all of which are reusable. But in order to reuse them, they must be cleaned right away, so disease organisms won't embed themselves in the containers, then transfer those goobers to seedlings, cuttings, and new plants. Use the 3-step process: spray, spray, spray. After scraping out all the big stuff, spray the pots with the bleach solution and let it soak for a couple of minutes. Rinse off with clean water. Now, another quick spray and allow it to air dry in the sun. You can also use this method by using vinegar, which is considered organic. Since household vinegar is only 5%, most of it is water. Soak the pot for a few minutes, rinse, then follow up with another spritz before basking in the sun. When you're ready to plant, so are your pots. And that's how it's done with the Chapin family of sprayers. Spray, spray, and spray.